Southwestern Railway Vasco da Gama is very happy to announce the introduction of two special trains to Velangani to clear the extra rush of pilgrims during the Feast of Our Lady of Good Health at Velangani. Already two trips are announced and one more trip is proposed, and I hope that that would get notified by today evening itself. The first train will leave on 27/8/17 and the second trip will be on 3/9/17. The train will leave at 11:20 hours on both dates and reaches Velangani at 1 p.m. next day. On the return direction, the train will leave Velangani on the same day at 8:15 p.m. and will reaches Vasco da Gama next day at 9:10 hours. I am happy that this year we could announce the train well in advance, and the pilgrims will be able to do their reservations well in advance and can plan their journey in time. And during this feast, I wish all the pilgrims who are visiting Velangani from Vasco a safe and happy journey, and hope all will get the blessings of Mother Mary during the feast.